What is up, guys? So today I have these 3 phone cases from Crave. So shout out to Crave for sending these out. Today I'm going to be unboxing these and seeing whether or not they're a good match for the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. Let's start out with this gray color. I will be giving these 2 colors away to you guys, so stay around to the end of the video to figure out how to win that. So let's see. Okay, just trying to figure out how to open this. There's like a little tab at the bottom. Pull that. Slide this out. Okay. Here we have, actually, I guess it's not gray. I guess it's more of like a forest green with a olive green. So we have this 2-part kind of case design. We have this like rubbery like interior. Feels really nice. We have that cut out for the capture button. Let me take this out of this case. Okay. Now we have that. So let's put this on. Already that actually looks really good. So let's go ahead and put this back on. And there. So this is actually a very, very nice case. Let's check the cutout for the camera capture button. Feels really good. There's like a little bit of a raised lip, so it will be protected, which is really important. And yeah, as you can see, it smooths really, like it feels comfortable. It feels natural. Yeah, that actually feels really great. As for the cutouts, we have perfect cutouts for the speakers in the US Type-C port. There's no other buttons besides the cutout. Obviously, we have a button for the action button, opposed to like a hole that some cases for some reason have very clicky buttons. Honestly, very nice case all around. Okay, so this is future me, and I just realized that these Crave cases do have MagSafe, so that's definitely something to keep in mind, and honestly, a really great thing that most cases don't have. So let me go ahead and just... There you go. It just took me a little bit to get it out of the box, but let's see. If we take the back piece off, you can there see that there are MagSafe like magnets, so that's definitely super nice. And sorry about my voice. I don't know why it's raspy, but yeah. So these cases do have MagSafe, which is honestly super great to know. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So let me quickly unbox the other colors. Okay, so here are all the colors together. So honestly, I don't know why these look so good. Like, I've never seen a case that is kind of like this, I guess this type of build that has like the 2 pieces that looks so good and high quality. This black one is very, very, very black, which like matches the black iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max really well. Honestly, yeah, look how black that is. That looks really great. And then this like purple-ish, I guess more of like a maroon color, looks really good. I actually really like those black like buttons, like with like that, I guess, color like scheme. Looks really great. So I will be giving this red one away and this black one to you guys. So yeah, I will be doing a 4K giveaway. There will be a post on my channel around the time that this video goes out with all the things I'm giving away. So definitely go check that out. And yeah, thank you so much to Crave for sponsoring this video, or I guess just sending these out. But yeah, I will say I don't like... Listen, hear me out. I don't like cases like this, like bulky cases, but this is the only one that I like. Like, I really don't like otter boxes, but this gives like a lot of protection for the cameras with a raised lip, the screen with another slightly raised lip. So you're gonna have, ooh, that sounded really bad, but really great drop protection. And honestly, just really overall a great experience. When it seems like to this cases, I've used their cases for the Galaxy S24 Plus, and I really love them. Honestly, it's a great... Crave makes great phone cases. I'll leave a link down to their website and their store down in the description. You can pick up the S24 Plus cases and these iPhone 16 Pro cases. And again, thank you to Crave for sponsoring this video by sending out these cases. And yeah, hopefully you found this helpful. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.